Welcome back in the UG and PG classes channel. Today in this video we will going to teach or discuss about the former president Pranab Mukherjee. In this video we will see some question answer and best question answer and civilian awarded which got Pranab Mukherjee and a lot of interesting knowledge about him. Okay, now let's start. Pranab, a former president and Bharat Ratna Sri Pranab Mukherjee died on 31st August 2020. That is Monday. He was tested positive for coronavirus and had been in coma after a brain surgery earlier this month. His condition on Monday declined and had gone into septic shock due to lung infection at the Army Research Referral Hospital. He was admitted to the hospital on 10 August and had surgery for the removal of a clot in the brain on the same day. Now, more about him through the question answer. Okay, this video is really important and really interesting for you all guys. So let's begin with the question number first. When was the former president Pranab Mukherjee born? Yeah, when the former president Pranab Mukherjee was born? Option number 10 December 1932, 11 December 1932 or 10 December 1935 or 11 December 1935. The right option is option number D, 11 December 1935. यानी कि प्रणब मुखर्जी का जन्म 11 दिसंबर 1935 को हुआ था. नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन को जो देखते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल सी एक्सप्लेनेशन. फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट प्रणब मुखर्जी वाज बोर्न ऑन 11 December 1935 in Mirathi, Bengal. On that time it was presidency of British India. Okay, at present day it is Birbhum district, West Bengal, India. And his father name was Kamadda Kinkar Mukherjee. Kamadda Kinkar Mukherjee इनके father थे and Raj Lakshmi Mukherjee इनकी mother थी. Moving to the next question. Question number 2. In which year former President Pranab Mukherjee was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in the country? So its option is option number D, 2019. Explanation. Former President Pranab Mukherjee was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in the country in 2019. इन्हीं के साथ भूपेन हजारिका को भी मिला था अवार्ड. ठीक है. एंड Pranab Mukherjee, former president Pranab Mukherjee served as the president of India from 2012 to 2017. Which one? So the option number C is the 13th. Okay, former president Pranab Mukherjee served as the 13th president of India from 2012 to 2017. Now the next question. Question number 4. Which of the following statements are correct about the education of the former President Pranab Mukherjee? Former President Pranab Mukherjee did his schooling from Suri Vidya Sagar College, Suri. Second, he did his master in political science and his history from the University of Kolkata. Third number, from the same university he earned his LLB degree. Choose the correct option. Only 1, only 2 and 3 and only 1, 2 and 3 and only 2. So यहाँ पर इनका तीनों ऑप्शन ये क्या है, सही है. कौन कौन? ये जो थे फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट प्रणब मुखर्जी डिड द स्कूलिंग फ्रॉम सूरी विद्यासागर कॉलेज, सूरी से. ठीक है. एंड सेकेंड वन, he did his master in political science and history from the University of Kolkata. Calcutta. From the same university he earned his LLB degree. Okay, so option number C is right answer. Explanation में देखते हैं. Former President Pranab Mukherjee did his schooling from Suri Vidyasagar College, Suri. He did his master in political science and history from University of Kolkata. From the same university he earned his LLB degree. It's the best explanation. Okay, now the next question. Who among the following recognized the talent of former President Pranab Mukherjee and offered him to join Congress? Option number C, Indira Gandhi. Explanation. In the year of 1969, former President Pranab Mukherjee entered political and managed the election campaign of V.K. Krishna Menon and an independent candidate. The 10th Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, recognized his talent and offered him to join Congress. An offer he didn't uh, he didn't reject. Next, question number 6. Which of the which year former President Pranab Mukherjee was voted the best finance minister in the world by Euromoney magazine? Euromoney magazine, ठीक है, उनके द्वारा. क्वेश्चन नंबर आंसर नंबर सी 1984. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. इन 1984 प्रणब मुखर्जी in 1984 former president Pranab Mukherjee was voted for the best finance minister in the world by Euronomy magazine. Next, in which year former president Pranab Mukherjee was appointed as the leader of Lok Sabha? Its answer number C as 1980. 1980 में. In 1980, former President Pranab Mukherjee was appointed as the leader of the Lok Sabha. In the absence of Prime Minister, he presided over the cabinet meetings. Next question. When did former President Pranab Mukherjee serve as the deputy chairman of the planning commission? Okay, question number answer number B, option number B, 1991. Explanation. After the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi in 1991, then the Prime Minister of India P.V. Narasimha Rao appointed former President Pranab Mukherjee as the deputy chairman of the Indian Planning Commission. In this question you go two question. Why? Because the first question is in which year Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. You can say assassinated मतलब हत्या कर देना. राजीव गांधी की हत्या किस ईयर में किया गया था? तो 1991 में किया गया था. ओके, देन द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया पीवी नरसिम्हा राव. एक और क्वेश्चन इसमें, जब राजीव गांधी की हत्या हुई थी तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर भारत के कौन थे? तो वो थे पीवी नरसिम्हा राव. Appointed former President Pranab Mukherjee as the Deputy Chairman of the Indian Planning Commission. The next question is 9. During the tenure of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's cabinet, former President Pranab Mukherjee held the portfolio of all of above: Defense Minister, Finance Minister, External Affairs Minister, and all of above. Okay. Explanation. In Manmohan Singh's cabinet, former President Pranab Mukherjee held various posts such as Defense, Finance, External Affairs, and more. Next question. And consider the following statements with respect to the former President Pranab Mukherjee. Statement number first. He retired from active politics and ended his affiliation with the Indian National Congress as he was running for president in 2012. Second, only July 25, 2012 you can say, he became the president of India. And third, in 2017 he did not run for re-election and retired from politics, citing age-related health complication. 4 number, his tenure expired on July 25, 2017 and was succeeded as the President of India by Ramnath Kovind. Choose the correct option. Option A and B, option C, option 2 and 4. You can say option first, second and third, and option first, second, third and 4. Option number D. So now let's when we start its explanation a bit right now, so it will complete there. Okay, now it is explanation. Option number D, that is 1 2 3 4 4 ऑप्शन सही है. Just repeat once again. Okay, so let's explanation right. The former President Pranab Mukherjee retired from active politics and ended his affiliation with the Indian National Congress as he was running for president in 2012. On July 25, 2012, he became the President of India in 2017. President of India 2012 में, ठीक है. In 2017 he did not run for re-election and retired from politics citing age related health complication. His term expired on 25 July 2017 and was succeeded as the President of India by Ramnath Kovind. So thank you guys, and in the next video we will start current affairs daily basis, and from weekly and monthly and cues as well. So please share this channel if you like this, and then thank you. Jai Hind.